Hey guys, press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Pinkvilla.
If you two are a hopeless romantic just the way I am, then probably you and I love monsoons. But other than that, if we're just another girl next door, we definitely hate the monsoons too because frizzy, dry, boring hair. Hi guys, it's me Hesha, your fashion and beauty director at Pinkvilla, and given the fact that it's been pouring so heavily, I decided to pick out some of my products and share a few tips, tricks here and there that will help you get healthy hair this monsoon. So if this interests you, stay tuned and keep watching till the end of the video. If you guys have seen my previous videos, I'm sure you all must have understood that I have literally like poker straight hair. But I'm somebody who's a huge fan of textured wavy hair, which is why I keep doing these things and experimenting with my hair. But I got a lot of requests wherein you people suggested that y'all want me to share a video specifically for monsoons where I'm focusing on how one can take away from the texture or probably also curve down the frizz. So I decided to do this video. And one of the things that comes to my mind first when it comes to frizzy hair or taking care of textured hair in the monsoons is aloe vera gel. Now let me tell you guys, aloe vera gel is not only great for skin, but it's also superbly amazing for your hair. And if you guys have seen my 10 beauty hacks video, the link of which I will put it down in the description below, you'll notice how I made a DIY at-home hair serum using aloe vera gel. Now today I'm going to be using aloe vera in a very different way and tell you why you can use this. Now if you're at home or maybe you're just stepping out of the house and you realize that oh my god, it's raining and your hair's going to really frizzle all out and be all over the place, what you need to do is just take a little bit of the aloe vera gel, rub it into your hands and then just put it all over your hair, starting all the way from your scalp, taking it all the way down below. Now, what this is going to do is that it's going to kind of hold on to your hair and tame the frizz. So even though you do step out of the house, your hair already has some aloe vera gel on and you have to just let it dry naturally without using any harsh tools or blow dryer. And once your hair dries up, you'll notice that the frizz is relatively lesser and your hair is also extra soft and shiny. Now, as we all know that monsoons tends to give us like super dry, dull and lifeless hair, which is why what becomes super important is choosing the right shampoo and conditioner, especially during the monsoons. Now, one thing that I keep in mind when I'm picking out a shampoo for monsoons is that it is specifically meant to heal and treat dry, damaged hair, and which is why Dove becomes like my go-to product because as we all know, Dove shampoos are super rich and hydrating, which is why they add that moisture back into that hair that brings back that life and gives it that extra gloss and shine. So anytime that you're using a shampoo specifically during the monsoons, make sure that it takes care of dry hair, it adds that extra volume, and at the same time, moisture retention is super important. So use a conditioner as well without fail. Another thing that we all do after shampooing and conditioning is using a hair serum. I kind of like the Matrix hair serum. This is their deep smoothing serum and it's got avocado, and as we all know that avocado is amazing when it comes to kind of taking care of knots and tangles, and it also makes the hair super smooth and nice. But in case you're looking at for something which is more natural and you don't kind of want to invest in a hair serum, then there's one thing that I would highly recommend you guys to do is invest in Argan Oil. Now, I don't even know how to begin with the goodness of Argan Oil because, there was a time when my best friend told me that, Argan Oil shampoos, conditioners, or hair serums are super amazing for the hair, especially to take care of the frizz. But I kind of went mental because I had to pick like one shampoo and one conditioner and one serum and all of that. And let me be honest, products that have Argan Oil can tend to get a little expensive. So I decided that I'm instead going to go ahead and invest in simply 100% natural organic argan oil. Now, what I do with this argan oil is that I use it as a hair serum right after I'm done washing my hair and before I'm going to kind of blow dry my hair, or maybe probably just let it dry. And sometimes when I'm on the go and I feel that my hair is actually like going crazy and it's got a mind of its own, I just take about 1 to 2 pumps of it and I use it all over my hair. And trust me, my hair looks like it's got some sudden instant shine, life, and the frizz is taken care of too completely. Another thing that I want to share with you guys is the importance of actually using a heat protectant before we go ahead and kind of style our hair using any hot iron tools. What a heat protectant does is that it makes like a protective shield all over your hair. So no matter what temperature that you're using, you know, whether your hair iron is at 210 or maybe your curling wand is at 200, make sure that you have a heat protectant on, because this is what is going to prevent your hair from damage. Now let me tell you that frizzy hair and dull and lifeless hair is also a reason of super damaged hair. So make sure that you take care of your hair at all points, and if you feel that your hair is really dry or damaged, opt for products and have a healthy regime that kind of takes care of your hair and it takes care of the dryness and adds the moisture back. One of the things that can help you actually add the moisture and life back into your hair is Champy. Now come on, we guys know the importance of hair oiling. As much as a school girl I was literally running away from it, but I think I really thank Nani and Mama for actually getting me into the habit of kind of, you know, doing hair oiling and Champy. And one of her secrets is what I'm actually going to share it with you guys, which is castor oil. Now, y'all must be wondering what is such a big secret about castor oil, because I think most of us do know the importance of castor oil, especially when it comes to hair or getting thicker eyebrows or eyelashes. But castor oil, if you mix it with just a few ingredients here and there, it can become your own quick thing to get that hair growing faster and thicker and nicer. Now what I usually do is, which is taking inspiration from my Nani's nuska, I mix castor oil with warm coconut oil, and I make sure that the coconut oil that I'm using is organic, and I use a little bit of sweet almond oil because, as we all know, almond oil is extremely rich in vitamin E, and that really helps not just in hair growth but giving you that gloss, taking care of that extra frizz, and at the same time making it shiny. So that's like my little DIY that I do at all points. One more thing that I want to take you through, maybe two. I think one is my simple little hack that I always do, which is with talcum powder, that I use it as a dry shampoo. And I think especially during the monsoons, when your hair tends to get dampened and, you know, when it's literally like putting all the weight down and you're feeling really heavy on the head, a little bit of talcum powder can go a long way. So just dust it a little bit, rub it on your hair, and just see how all of that moisture and oiliness gets absorbed, and you're gonna have like super shampooed hair but with powder. And last but not the least, I have my secret ingredient here. Olaplex, as you guys know or may not know, let me tell you a little bit about it, is just a hair perfector. It's actually hair strengthening proteins that goes back into your hair and gives it that nourishment and that niceness that your hair needs. And the best part about Olaplex is that you can leave it all night long. You can actually wear it and even step out because it is non-greasy, non-sticky, or simply use it as a conditioner for about 10 to 15 minutes before you kind of rinse off your hair. I want to give a quick disclaimer about Olaplex. Olaplex treatments are actually available at multiple salons here. But you know what happens is sometimes salon treatments can get a little bit expensive. So what I instead do is that I go ahead and maybe invest a little bit extra into picking up the products that I could be used, that could be used at home as well. Which is why I once went ahead and got myself an Olaplex treatment, and I realized that Olaplex was so amazing that I actually spent money to pick it up. So yep, that's pretty much it for me, guys. I think these are a few tips, tricks and products that I use, especially in the monsoons, to take care of my hair. And I just thought that I should share it with you guys as well. Basically, I would also love to know if you guys are, doing different things to take care of your hair in the monsoon specifically. So do comment below and let me know. By any chance, if you've tried any of these products or my hacks that I have shared before, definitely comment and let me know, because I love reading all of your comments. And do the usual, which is, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to Pinkvilla. I'm gonna see you next time. Bye!